The scarf is tied, the knots are sharp and clean. A chest of brass, a uniform pristine. You walk the stage, you take the photograph. But what's the point if you just make us laugh? No hands-on work, no project that will last. Just fading memories of a future past. The words are hollow when the heart gives way. The group is dying while you proudly parade. The scout's true measure is the life he lights, not the silk he wears beneath the city lights. It's not the badge you take, but the knowledge that you give. Are you a leader who helps the movement live? Look at your reflection, ask yourself the cost. Are they rising up, or is this treasure lost? You either build the future, or you watch it fall. Answer the calling, but don't